forelimb. Technically it is the manus. The manus includes the carpal, the metacarpals and the phalanges. First phalanx, second phalanx and the third phalanx. As we know, there are the different parts of the forelimb, like there is a shoulder region, then brachium, antebrachium and the manus, and this is the manus. And here this is the sample of the cattle. Here we have the 2 digits. This is the 3rd digit and this is the 4th digit. You can see this is known as extensor retinaculum, that covers here the tendons of the extensor muscles, this extensor retinaculum, and this is the metacarpal here, and this is the medial aspect and this is the lateral aspect. This is the tendon of the muscle, that is the lateral digital extensor tendon. So as we know, the extensor group that includes extensor carpi radialis, extensor carpi obliquus, then we have the lateral digital extensor and common digital extensor. Some books write as other, that is medial digital extensor muscle, but here this is the tendon of the lateral digital extensor muscle. The lateral digital extensor muscle that originates from the shaft of the radius and the ulna. And here when it comes into this metacarpal region, you can see this is the tendon and this gets inserted on the 2nd and the 3rd phalanx of the 4th digit. ठीक है, ये टेंडन है लेटर डिजिटल एक्सटेंसर टेंडन, जो लेटर डिजिटल एक्सटेंसर मसल से आता है. ठीक है, ये फाइनली इंसर्ट हो जाता है. यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर 2nd and 3rd phalanx of the, this is the 4th digit, this is 3rd, this is 4th digit पे insert हो जाता है. And this one, this is the common digital extensor tendon. As we know, in the common digital extensor muscle there are 2 heads or 2 bellies. One is the lateral, another is the medial. The lateral one that originates from the lateral epicondyle of the humerus and the lateral border of the ulna, while as the medial belly that arises from the lateral epicondyle of the humerus. The lateral belly that forms the tendon is commonly called as common digital extensor tendon. ये वाला जो आएगा, this is the common digital extensor tendon. This one, this common digital extensor tendon, just at the level of this fetlock joint, it bifurcates into 2 parts. ठीक है, ये 2 parts हो गए इसके, and they finally inserts on the extensor process of the 3rd phalanx. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी आएगा इस digit पे 3rd and 4th digit. That means the extensor process of the 3rd phalanx of the 3rd digit and 4th digit. So this is the common digital extensor tendon. ठीक है. Now the medial one, that here it is called as medial digital extensor tendon. ठीक है, this is the medial digital extensor tendon, and here it finally inserts on the 2nd and the, ठीक है, second and the 3rd phalanx of the 3rd digit. ठीक है, so these are the tendons of the extensor muscles. ठीक है, this is the lateral digital extensor tendon, this is the common digital extensor tendon, and this is the medial digital extensor tendon, and this is the extensor retinaculum. This is the anterior aspect of the metacarpals. Here we have the 3 joints, that is here the fetlock joint here, this is between the 1st phalanx and the distal extremity of the metacarpal, and then we have the another joint, that is the pastern joint, and here the coffin joint. This is the 2nd phalanx here, and here this is the 3rd phalanx. Here in this you can see this is the hoof, this part is the hoof. We have removed the hoof here in this digit, that is the 3rd one, and you can see here this is the corium, that is the modified dermis. This is the corium, and just below there is the 3rd phalanx. ठीक है. Now this is the posterior surface of the here the metacarpal. So here we have the carpals, then metacarpals, and then the digits, the third one, and this is the fourth digit. Here you can see these are the tendons. This one, this is the superficial digital flexor tendon, and this is the deep digital flexor tendon. And here there is again a flat band of the fibrous connective tissue that is known as flexor retinaculum. ठीक है, जिसको हम बोलते हैं that is the flexor retinaculum. This ठीक है, this is superficial digital flexor tendon. This is the deep digital flexor tendon. The superficial digital flexor tendon, it runs over the carpal canal. ठीक है, while as this is, you can see here, there is a canal here, that is, this is the carpal canal here. This is the carpal canal here. This deep digital flexor tendon, it runs through this carpal canal. While at the superficial one, it runs above this carpal canal, and this superficial digital flexor tendon, it has two parts. This one is the superficial part, and this one, that is the deeper part. ठीक है, ये डीपर पार्ट होता है, दिस इज द सुपरफिशियल पार्ट. दोनों दीज आर द सुपरफिशियल डिजिटल फ्लेक्सर टेंडन. दिस डीपर पार्ट ये क्या करता है, दिस डीपर पार्ट इट दिस वन इट remains attached with the deep digital flexor tendon. So it remains covered by a strong fibrous band. ठीक है, दोनों ये कवर्ड होते हैं strong fibrous band. One is the deep digital flexor tendon and the deeper part of the superficial digital flexor tendon. ठीक है, so ये हो गया superficial digital flexor tendon. This superficial digital flexor tendon, it here यहाँ से नीचे जाएगा, it descends down and divides into two parts. ठीक है, यहाँ से you can see bifurcate division हो जाता है, एक यहाँ से एक यहाँ से. And then here just this is the suspensory ligament. ये सस्पेंसरी लिगामेंट है या इंटरओसियस मसल जिसको हम बोलते हैं. दिस सस्पेंसरी लिगामेंट इट हैज टू पार्ट्स. ठीक है, जस्ट एट द मिडल ऑफ द मेटाकार्पल दिस सस्पेंसरी लिगामेंट इट डिवाइड्स. दिस इज द सस्पेंसरी लिगामेंट एंड एट द मिडल इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. ये आ गया एंटीरियर पार्ट इसका, एंड दिस इज द पोस्टीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द सस्पेंसरी लिगामेंट और इंटरओसियस मसल. सम बुक्स राइट इट एज इंटरओसियस मसल. ठीक है, ये एंटीरियर पार्ट हो गया. दिस एंटीरियर पार्ट इट जॉइन्स विथ दिस इज द सुपरफिशियल डिजिटल फ्लेक्सर एंड हियर दे फॉर्म ए रिंग. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, ये दोनों मिलके एक रिंग बनाएंगे through which see here through which this deep digital flexor tendon that passes. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक रिंग बनती है through which the deep digital flexor tendon passes. ठीक है, then this superficial digital flexor here divides into two and finally it inserts on the second phalanx, on the palmar surface of the second phalanx. ये superficial digital flexor. This part on this side and this part it will insert on the palmar surface of the second phalanx. ये हो गया superficial digital flexor tendon. While as this one जो deep जाएगा through this ring, this deep digital flexor tendon it finally inserts on the third phalanx. ये part यहाँ इस digit में जाएगा and this part it will go here on the third phalanx of the, this is the third digit, this is the fourth one. ठीक है, ये हो गया deep digital flexor tendon. ये हो गया superficial, इसके दो parts होते हैं, this is superficial, ये deep हो गया. यहाँ पे दोनों मिलके with the anterior part of this interosseous muscle एक रिंग बनाते हैं through the deep digital flexor muscle जो पास होती है. वाइल एज इसका जो पोस्टीरियर पार्ट होता है, दिस इज द पोस्टीरियर पार्ट, ये वाला, दिस इज द पोस्टीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द सस्पेंसरी लिगामेंट. ये क्या करता है, इट डिवाइड्स इनटू 4 पार्ट्स. ये यहाँ से, दिस इज द पोस्टीरियर पार्ट, ये डिवाइड हो गया 4 पार्ट्स में. दे विल फाइनली इंसर्ट ऑन द प्रॉक्सिमल रो ऑफ द सेसमॉइड बोन. 1 2 3 4 ये सारे इन्हों पे क्या हो गए, दे विल इंसर्ट ऑन दिस प्रॉक्सिमल सेसमॉइड्स. तो 4 बैंड्स निकलते हैं. ठीक है. देयर इज अनदर पार्ट दैट दिस इज नोन एज एक्सटेंसर पार्ट दैट विल पास through the intercondyloid cleft here, and it finally joins with the common digital extensor tendon आगे से. And here you can see these are the extensor part here, and this is again here, this is the extensor part. You can see this is the extensor part. Here it will join with the medial digital extensor tendon here. This is the extensor part of the suspensory ligament here, and here you can see this is the extensor part here. Here it will join with this, that is the lateral digital extensor tendon के साथ यहाँ पे it will join here with. So these are the extensor part of this suspensory ligament. ये posterior part हो गया, ये anterior. posterior में फिर 4 निकलते हैं. They finally inserts on the sesamoid bones. जैसे मैंने आपको यहाँ पे दिखाया, these are the sesamoid bones here. And one show you here, this is the annulus. यहाँ पे here, so the collateral ligaments. ठीक है. So this was all about the superficial digital flexor and deep. जो डीप डिजिटल फ्लेक्सर टेंडन होता है, इट इज़ अ मैसिव मसल. ठीक है. इट इज लार्जेस्ट अमंग द फ्लेक्सर ग्रुप. सो दिस वन वाज अबाउट these tendons of the deep superficial and that reach up to the digits here. Thank you.